Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is actually a powerful reflex that protects us. When dust, pollen, or tiny irritants enter the nose, special nerves detect them and send a signal to the brain. The brain responds by triggering a sudden burst of air through the nose and mouth to force those particles out. A sneeze can travel faster than a car and spread tiny droplets up to several feet away. It's the body's natural housekeeping system, designed to keep the airway clean and clear. So the next time you sneeze, remember, your body is simply defending itself.